guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to do the 100 spicy chicken nuggets. These are from Wendy's. That's 99. Why you steal one? Anyway, we're gonna dig in. We only have 10 minutes to eat this, so we're gonna set the alarm. 10 minutes, guys, only 10 minutes, and whoever probably eat the most on account for, because we just have to say oh bust before 10 minutes, oh craving, and got a full 10 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do.
Alright guys, let me see all the team CMR. Y'all know that we got big belly around here, so we ain't got to worry about that. You know we
Where
going.
the trail one?
I said we got the big belly.
Anyway, we got Chick-fil-A sauce with Wendy's. I'm gonna eat me some Chick-fil-A sauce too. I got,
you know, actually they got honey mustard if you want.
Yeah, but I don't want that. Why didn't you get barbecue? He went on the road and did all of this. Why didn't you get barbecue?
Guys, like I said, when you the boss, you do whatever you feel like, and that's what we do. We get honey mustard. Alright? Yeah.
Anyway, guys, you see I'm look nice. You know, the newer fresh hair cut on, so boy, I will get them good down, so I'm kind of upset, but that's fine. Anyway, guys, let's dig into this challenge. 10 minutes, let me start. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
So why the sauce over your side?
No, I don't want.
Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. I love chicken and I love spicy.
Yeah, this is spicy.
What should I watch me for, people?
This one tastes bad still now.
Guys, this spicy, I ain't gonna lie.
Let me try the Chick-fil-A sauce with it. That's the way you know.
You know, you should not drink no juice because your belly are full.
I can't eat this as spicy something now. I like the Chick-fil-A sauce, huh? Remind me of Chick-fil-A. People, me you know people, me bust with some teeth at 30.
Wow.
See that one teeth come out.
Yeah, we are come. Mine then gone, the military took out all of mine.
Normally me cut and go through.
Guys, we're gonna do 50-50 each. But to be honest, I don't think we could have managed 50-50 each.
One, yeah, when something then. Alarm go on.
It all go off? Guys, she cooked some soup, right? I said that for dinner, but really and truly, if this boss, you know, it's a soup of will be left over.
I'm really full now.
Your belly not full?
Me ask you if you're in full.
No.
Guys, them Wendy nuggets, yeah, they're nice, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all should try it. I think y'all should try it.
If it gets cold, put it in the oven for like 5 minutes. Warm it up back. Not the microwave, the oven.
The microwave though.
It tastes different. You notice it tastes like you just get a microwave that make it look feel soggy.
Oh,
These are spicy.
honey mustard sauces.
It tastes good, right? Remember, I said, let me just come here. Everything we not eat at honey mustard, we used to eat it with dinner, guys. We just get knocked. We used to live on Checkers. Remember?
Yo, guys, she had a discount book. she go to Checkers and she to roll out her discount book, and if them not give her a discount properly, Babes turn back, drive back. I say, Babes, drive go back for what?
For 99 cents.
Let me give you a little story too. You see, guys, she don't play when she has spend money. If she go there and she says she want hot fries and then give her cold fries, she will drive go back all the way. I want she reach her yard.
You're disappointed. You're not full?
You full? And I am ASMR now.
We are 4 minutes and 53 seconds. Hot. Them actually, it tastes bad with the Chick-fil-A sauce, man. But man, I'm eating Chick-fil-A. People, I go get the sauce in Walmart. I saw it and I was like, okay. You know, Walmart always have some backdoor deal. Four minutes and 10 seconds.
Oh,
Y'all get full.
guys. Yo,
We'll be out.
may I tell you how I eat them so much back to back, guys? It's spicy. Yeah.
Me not understand. You have right there, so you dip your hand over there, so.
Can you look like you have a better one then? How about that?
That not supposed to be almost 101, then give it. I mean, I think that's another 100. Show them. That's like skin.
Like a beer pepper this.
We have 3 minutes and 9 seconds.
And she not bust all now, guys. I feel so she alone could eat half this.
Two minutes and 35 seconds.
Tell them, I be a talk shit talk and not eat no, guys.
I crave people. That make nice, you know, right?
And you just about,
1 minute and 40 seconds.
Guys, I don't know, you look like we move nothing.
I'm full.
You're full? Guys, she full, but me did full too, but I have wait till she says she full first, I see. So.
I crave, you know, me not force them no food. Me take the loose, yeah.
Take it. She not force them no food, but watch here. One minute left.
50 seconds to be exact.
49 to be exact. Yes, I think so. How much I think left back? How much that?
Maybe 30.
Alright guys, so if we gonna make a guess, if we make the right guess, the person, if you guess right, we give you $100. No, you said 30. How much I pick? 30? I say 25.
Can you count it already, you know?
Oh, we go.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18,
I said 40.
20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. 10 minutes is up. 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 39.
A 40.
No, you said
So you want
25.
my
I am close to it.
No, you said 30.
You finna get some coochie.
And you're killing me now.
But I'm gonna get $100.
So guys, that's it. I'm done. Babes, you know what I'm saying?
So we eat like, we
No.
eat 60.
Yeah.
So we eat about 60.
But what me say is you could have instead of give the picnic the ugly soup, you give them the nuggets.
They have nuggets different.
I know, but I'm saying
They're
for
gonna
real,
eat this. You know, your Sakara comes and she want more.
So me say instead of give them soup, because they don't want no soup.
Why?
let them
Soup
eat
is
this.
good. The soup
Yeah,
is good.
They don't want no soup though. Soup is
Not
good, but
because
they
you
don't
don't
want.
drink soup.
I drink it, but them just don't feel fit. Me no feel fit, them no feel fit.
Anyway, guys, this is it. Our challenge is over. He's full. My stomach is big also. He's full. I am full. And this is it. Who won?
You lost. You could you say you
We have equal. Me saying my belly is full doesn't mean that I'm a loser. It's a wrap, guys. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you check us out on Facebook.
Yep.
You know, Instagram, TikTok. Watch Crissy work.
CMR on TikTok, the real CMR. But guys,
Who's the fake one?
well, the other CMR, they're the fake ones.
Check out our platform, guys. The spicy, it's real spicy. The Wendy's are real spicy.
Yeah. It's spicy.
So, yeah.
I ain't gonna lie on this one, guys. Like, even though
You like it, but
I
it
like
tastes,
it, but
I like it because it's spicy. If it was a regular one, I don't think I could eat it.
Yeah.
Because you know you want the little spiciness to bring off.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's just something about spicy food that I like. But we are done. Stomach is full. We have like 39 leave out of 100. So we did good. Big up on yourself. Until our next upload. Bye.
Hey, you know what? Somebody, this is what I want y'all to do. Everyone that I put in my mouth, you count. Everyone she puts in her mouth, you count and see.
You're not done claim support your claim victory. A matter of fact, me give you a victory. You want to lose? You know you're not lose.
Alright, nobody do that then.
Like I gave it to you. You know what? He went to Wendy's. He did this. So he wanted to do this. Because Wendy's spicy, so I won't feel like say Wendy's. But anyway, it's pretty good. You guys can check it out if you never try it. But you have to eat it hot.
Yep.
But yeah, until our next upload, bye.
We out.